Meaning of Huguenot.
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 Huguenot. Huguenot refers to French Protestants in the 16th and 17th centuries who were followers of John Calvin and were persecuted for their beliefs. The name comes from the word Eidgenossen, which means confederates or oath companions in German, and was originally used to describe Swiss mercenaries who fought for France. Huguenots were often subject to severe persecution, including forced conversion, imprisonment, and execution, leading many to flee France for other countries. Today, the term is mainly used in historical contexts to refer to this religious group and their struggles.